Shangri-La Razaria Resort and Spa was established in 22nd August 1996 and located at Tuaran, Sabah. It takes 45 minutes from Kota Kinabalu International Airport to arrive at the resort. Inside the resort, there are 499 rooms, which consisting of 489 guest rooms and 10 suites. The resort also has Delete Bay Golf and Country Club, as well as the 64 acres of nature reserve. Shangri-La Razaria mission statement is to delight our guests every time by creating engaging experience straight from our heart. Meanwhile, their vision is to be the first choice guests, colleagues, shareholders, and business partners. Besides, they have 5 core values, namely respect, humility, courtesy, helpfulness, and sincerity. A statement Shangri-La hospitality from a caring family has become their philosophy over the years. It means the resort will provide the excellent services and let the guests feel like being home when they stay at the resort. We are using SWOT analysis to evaluate the resort internal and external environment. For the strength, Shangri-La Razaria have a strong brand name, fine leadership and management skill, as well as they have won numerous awards. About the weaknesses, they have insufficient qualified staff and high maintenance costs. The resort opportunities include rapid development of tourism sector and online market. And their threats are competition of the business and COVID-19 pandemic. There are 2 generic competitive strategies for Shangri-La Razaria Resort. The first generic competitive strategy is a broad differentiation strategy. The essence of this strategy is to offer unique product or service attributes that a wide range of buyers find appealing and worth paying for. By using this strategy, Shangri-La Razaria provide variety types of unique services, such as offering a room according to customers' preference. The other unique selling point of the resort is they have their own nature reserves. This place consists of Discovery Center, Nature Trail, Adventure Point, Canopy Walk, and a giant birdhouse. The second generic competitive strategy is a best cost provider strategy. A best cost provider strategy is when the company makes an upscale product at a lower price, in turn gives more value to customers in exchanges of money. In this strategy, the resort is focusing to provide services with superior value that can satisfy their customers. For instance, they provide restaurant services on the peak of the nature reserve. Although the prices may reach 100 ringgit Malaysian, the customer will be satisfied as long as they can see the beauty of the sunrise and Mount Kinabalu view from the restaurant. One of the strategies that can be implemented is to introduce a new innovation in their resort. For example, they can introduce a virtual reality in hotel rooms. By using this device, customers can now order a virtual trip through room services. Another example is implementing the digital smart key for guest room access. This technology may allow a guest to directly access a hotel room and skip the check-in process at the front desk. The second strategy that strengthens Shangri-La Razaria competitive positioning is the implementation of the Blue Ocean strategy. This strategy is a joint venture with international and domestic tourism companies aimed at attracting foreign visitors to their resort. This is to ensure that they can market their company practices more in line with the global economy's innovation and to ensure that they can compete with their competitors. The resort can compete in the global market by implementing the alliance and partnership strategy. It is an attempt to create joint venture agreements with other foreign firms in conducting research and development, marketing, knowledge sharing, and so on. By having this strategy, Shangri-La Razaria Resort can improve their competition with other accommodation companies that are more focused on the tourism industry. It can also help the resort find solutions and recognize challenges they are likely to face, especially with the unpredictable changes in the global economy. Next strategy is by using their strong brand image. The recognition of Shangri-La's brand has been known up to the international stages. This is because their brand communication strategy is working very well. Shangri-La has always used campaign advertising as their main brand communication medium. For instance, Shangri-La cooperated with the global ad agency Ogilvy in 2010 to develop a new campaign which is It's in Our Nature, and they won a global awards. Therefore, the execution of these strategies will help grow the resort in order to continue operating and contribute to the main revenue of the country. Shangri-La Razaria Resort is focused on the competitive performance of its company in order to compete with their rivals in similar industry. The resort needs this competitive strategy because rivals such as Sutra Harbour Resort already have their own strategy. For example, they offer travel services to attractive islands located around the state of Sabah. Compared to Shangri-La Razaria Resort, they are the only resort that provide nature reserve service in Sabah. The resort provides variety types of nature activities such as nature trail, canopy walk, adventure point, and many more to their customers. This activity is rare and difficult to find in other hotel companies like Sutra Harbour Resort. As a result, this thing gives advantage to Shangri-La Razaria because they are the only resort that can provide customer the nature reserve experience. Every company will sure have issues, and Shangri-La Razaria is no different from others. For instance, they have an issue such as lack of manpower in the resort. In order for the resort to overcome the insufficient manpower problem, they can start by promoting this line of work to everyone out there. They can advertise the work vacancy through sending flyers out in the public and advertising in social media platforms so that people would know about it. By implementing this solution, this manpower issue can be addressed and increase efficiency and productivity in the organization. Next solution would be outsourcing maintenance. Shangri-La Razaria Resort also concerned about their lack of maintenance that comes from the lack of employees to do a certain jobs department. As a growing firm, they need to outsource maintenance that allows them to focus on business activities which are important without sacrificing any quality of service they provide. By applying this solution, it can reduce the need to hire specialized staff as well as reduce the resort expenses. Last but not least, Shangri-La Razaria Resort should be doing more entertainment on the beach resort. For instance, they should put up some colorful fireworks during any festive months and do some dance presented at the beach once in a while. Top management can think of many things that are fun and exciting to be done at the beach. The entertainments will surely make those who stay at the resort feel worth it to pay to stay there because they are having fun during their stays. As a conclusion, Shangri-La Razaria Resort is a well-known company that have a strong brand image around the world. They have successfully demonstrated that a strong Shangri-La's brand and hospitality brands can be created and sustained on a global basis. Their excellence in providing products and services as well as their strategic location also make the resort visited by a high number of people every year, either for traveling, business purpose, or other reasons. Therefore, the resort has to continue on implementing their business strategy in order to achieve the goals of growing faster and achieve excellence in the trade line.